you need to type here azure dot is azure dot portal azure.portal.com. When we are going to insert the we come open this page, and when we are going to see this page, the here is a two option, pay as you go and try Azure for free. So we select on the try Azure for free. Wait for some time. Yeah, a page is loading. When page is loading, we need to select for our personal use. Select here for personal use, and country is India, first name, last name. This is the my email ID already I have provided. Just put your phone number for verification. 224. And if you are working for any company name, just put a company name like optional. Pan card is optional. Address, these things are the optional. If you are provided anywhere in India, just I'm from here, I select, but this is option not required. Just verify. Please solve the puzzle. Just verify the puzzle, and just the we can same direction as the image they provided. This is the image. Click on submit, and verification is completed. Once verification is completed, select this uh, acceptance and click on next. When you are going to click on next, oh, address line is required. So New Delhi. Address line is required, so you need to provide your home address and whatever the your current address you are relocating. So just put there, and once done, currently I have once verification is successful, just click on. Yeah, it's still loading. Yeah, here is showing identity verification by card. So you need to provide your card holder name, card name, and whatever the things you have required. So just put, and CVV number and address is required. Just put and click on sign up. When click on sign up, they take some time, like 15 to 20 minutes, or if anything issue, they take 48 hours. But if 48 hours you have ready to use Azure portal. So currently I have already done these things. So I need to go directly on the portal. You can see you can see here how we can access Azure free trial version. Just we are going on Azure. I have already registered myself with a valid card. So I have for 1 month trial period. So I have already used 15 days already I have used. So that's, yeah, we can now go and access our Azure portal. So here we can see this. Yeah, after logging, this is the home page of the Azure. After successful login, the here we can see the how many remaining credit, whatever you have free trial. And after that you can see your email ID from here, and notification what after successfully logging. So you can see here notification whatever the time is remaining for you, and whatever the money in your wallet. So just wait and wait for some time. If any free subscription you are using, so they have some cost. So please use as per given small and free services, that is more benefits. You can use more and more services, otherwise you have a waste all money in the single service. So that is up to you how you are using for that. Just cancel here, and first you can go and check how many services are available. That is the homepage dashboard, all services, resource group, app service. You can create a directly from here. Storage account, load balancer, monitor these things, virtual network, these things are here. And also you can find from here, like I want to create a one virtual machine, just click virtual machine, and also we can select from here. So this is the view. You can see I have already created one virtual machine for myself, so you can see here also. And currently we are going to create a new virtual machine. For new virtual machine, you need to create this button, create button. Just select first one, virtual machine. That is the first one. After that they redirect into the next page. After next page, you have some basic description you need to provide. To just go and select whatever you have free subscription, and whatever you have pay as you go subscription. Just select from here and go next. And after that you need to select a resource group. If resource group is not there, so you need to just click on create and create your resource group. If you have already, to just select. I have already a resource group, I have selected this one. Okay, and after that you need to create a Azure virtual machine name. So whatever the virtual machine name, just use a lowercase, and there is some naming convention of virtual machine. So you need to go look after that. So I have just creating testing VM1. So he is verified because this is used. And reason, you can select STUS availability zone. You can select no availability zone. Trusted, leave that. Security tab is trusted launch virtual machine. That is fine. Image, you need to select from image whatever the image you want to require. So currently I am selecting the Windows 10 Enterprises N version. If you want to more explore, so just click here and go further. Export discontinue, to leave that for now. For size, whatever you size you required. The standard view for is 4 CPU need for this also, but the standard family. So we can see from here which size are. Yeah, I have some issue with that. Here we can standard view for MS16 device. They require one-to-one VM. Just having some issue. Yeah, uh, please select have some issue, not issue from that. Standard V4 MS 4 CPU and 16 GB memory, and they required 1 to 1 per month. They, for virtual machine, they required some amount of money. Just go next. Just put your username and password. What this username or password required when you are going to log in the RDP. So just put your username pass. Currently I am using testing AZ, and that is taken. And password, whatever you password required. Your password is taking the same you need to put here. Password is not match. Yeah, password is match. And after that you need to select a public allow select port, select RDP 3389 and just confirm and click on disk. Okay, this one is already here inside, so we have select. Yeah, we have already selected this one. Just go and go on disk whatever the OS size, image default, premium SSD. Just select and premium standard HDD and enable disk ultra size, that is a leap. Add as it is networking side, we need a public IP in one RDP. Delete when IP is deleted. Enable this things is not required. Load balancer, not, just go and next and leave that as it is. That is not required right now. Just go and advance, just advanced tag, and tag is also leave that, and review and create. Just verify whatever you have given the details, that is fine or not. As your subscription, whatever you have provided, so you can see from here. And wait for some time, and once verification is done, just create your virtual machine. Yeah, wait for some time. They need to validate, and they take some 3 to 4 minutes to verify and validate your virtual machine, whatever the your data you have provided and reason everything. Yeah, initialization is started as a 204. Just wait for some time, and then this, wait for some time. They will take. Yeah, after deployment completed, they look like a similar. After deployment completed, they look like a similar here. Whatever that you have created, whatever that you have created, like a location, whatever that you have put location, subscription, free subscription, trial, and operating system name and size is here, and public IP is there, and VNet is there, and main important is the DNS name, whatever the DNS name is required. So currently my VM is stopped, so I click on a start. Yeah, I have click clicking on a start button, and they, if whenever you are using a virtual machine and after using you don't want to create a more money deducted from your wallet, so just if you are not using, yeah, after deployment is success, after deployment is, yeah, our code is, sorry, our virtual machine is deployed successfully, so we just go, yeah, our virtual machine is deployed successfully, so we can see status is in running. Window operating system, we have selected Windows, size standard view for MS, and DNS is not configured. Just copy the virtual machine name, click on what DNS name, please paste here and save it. So your DNS is your save with public IP address. Whenever you are using this DNS in the different browsers, they can access. Yeah. Now go on overview. Just now DNS name is here. To just copy DNS name, just search RDP. When you are going to RDP, so you need to paste here for your DNS name and connect with whatever the you have put user ID and password. So here is a more option is I have already put it here. So just click on connect and connect this. After connect, you need to put your VM login ID and password. Just click on select and yeah, your VM is open. Yeah, you can access your virtual machine. Yeah, wait for some time. They are loading. This virtual machine takes some network issue. If you have a less network, they create a lot of issues. So please have the high internet speed. So that's yeah. Please wait for some time. They loading the screen. Yeah, you can see you are now inside your virtual machine. So whatever you things you required after after virtual after logging into virtual machine, you need to testing some software like Visual Studio. You need to create some project in Visual Studio, and you have to also database connection extent. Also, you need to install your Visual Studio and SQL Server in your machine. So you can create a project and insert a delete functionality and execute data from the database. And you need to after that you need to connect the data from. So we can see here the how we can connect our virtual machine and create a virtual machine. Okay, so we minimize here and go from here. If you are not using a virtual machine, if you are not using a virtual machine, just delete or stop. I have a two virtual machine. So currently this one we have implemented. So